Hi guys, I will be preparing jollof rice with my key Nigerian brand ingredients, which is Spicity, Lasor seasoning and Thyme. While on this, I will be telling you more about jollof rice. Jollof rice is a popular dish in West Africa. The name jollof rice originates from a Senegambia kingdom called the Jollof Rice Empire. Many countries of the subcontinent have their own method of preparation, but the ongoing feud between Nigeria and Ghana regarding whose jollof rice is better may never be resolved. Jollof rice is also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and magnesium. It holds a cherished spot in the heart of African because it represents more than substance. It reflects the spirit of celebration, togetherness, and community. Now my jollof rice is ready to be served. Yes, I know that you'll be trying this recipe in your home. Enjoy your meal. Bye.